Hey guys, just want to give you an update on the 64 Nova tube chassis race car, street car, or whatever you want to call it. We were talking about putting an LS in it or a big block. Well, it got a big block. It's going to be turboed. Got the firewall cleaned up, painted, straightened out. I'm going to start cleaning up the roll cage. Now they got the engine plate mounted in it. It's got a mid plate in it too. And we'll clean up the inside. There's the trans tunnel. Kind of hard to film in here. It's really tight, but yeah, just wanted everybody to see what we decided to put in it. Yeah, that'll be pretty cool. I've also been working on my other son's 64 Nova. They're both 64s. He got this car as a project, and the deck lid was never mounted on it. And I was getting ready to put the wheel tubs and the rear trunk floor in it, and I thought I better test fit the deck lid, and I'm glad I did. The gaps were huge. The panel had been replaced before, and I guess they didn't test fit the deck lid when they did it. And, well, it was just awful. So I ended up cutting out the center of the cross member, or whatever you call that, bottom panel underneath the trunk, and I had to shorten it a little bit to get the gaps right. The trunk still needs a little bit of adjusting. It's a little tight in the front, but I'll do that when I get the seals so I can set it right. But it's where it should be. I did the same measurements that are on the other 64 Nova, so I know it's really close. So yeah, pretty soon I'll start assembling the wheel wells, trimming them. I got to make some patterns, make sure they fit good, and we can get this thing a little further along. I want to get the wheel tubs in it because I got to roll it outside so I can bring the 40 in and start building mounts once we get the body off the S10 frame. That'll be next after I'm done with these wheel tubs. Oh, and I'm going to finish the roll cage. I didn't want to start on the roll cage until I had the wheel tubs in there, so I had clearance and I knew where everything was going to be. But yeah, made some good progress this weekend. Believe it or not, just doing that little bit on the trunk pan. Yeah, it was 2 days of work right there. But anyway, just want to give you guys a little glimpse at what we've been doing. I appreciate all of you guys for subscribing and watching my videos. And I'll see you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks, guys.